So I used to have a cat named Nitro. I really loved him, but my dad didn't like him, so he put him outside and he got lost. So this is how it took us 9 hours just to get another cat. So I hope you enjoy the video. You okay, Zoe? Like, you good? Wendy's! Starbucks! Oh my goodness!
Okay, 5:32.
Oh man, I wanted a cake pop.
Oh, well then you should have told me I
Fine.
would get you a cake pop.
I will take that.
Here's that cat cake pop.
There you go. Thank you.
There you go, Bobo. Eat your puppuccino. Ew. Meow meow. Look at all those chickens. Or cows. Zoe, how do you feel about this? What should have been a 6-hour trip, but is now 9 hours. Nice. We have been driving for centuries or hours.
Stop at the steering wheel. Stop
Oh well, we're still driving. Yeah.
The city was historic. Did you see it? It's just incredible. That's why it's different terrain. Did you see that?
Oh my goodness, it's Dairy Queen! Okay, so right here we are about 15 minutes from getting our new cat. So the next clip, it's about to get fuzzy. Okay, so this is our new fluffy kitty. Yeah.
It's called
We'll
the
take turns.
Humane Society.
Take turns. We'll go in. Sienna and I will go in and get an ice.
Zoe, do you not like our new cat? Boba? Okay, so in this clip we decided on her name. Her name will be Sky. Okay, so we are about 30 minutes away from our house and when Sky will meet her new home. Okay, so this is Sky's new home. And so far, it looks like she likes it. Okay, so that's the end of the video, and I hope you guys have a safe and fantastic rest of your day. And hit that subscribe button and the bell and the like button. The end.